This is a review of our R151 shop vac killer. What sets this aside from your typical shop vac is the durable fiberglass composite housing, guaranteed to never dent, rust, or go out of round. We use an oversized filter in here. It's a 13 square foot filter, so no matter how much material we put in there, we're not going to overload that filter. We're going to keep the performance up. It runs on 120 volt power. It's fully grounded, non-sparking by impact. Single motor, provides 150 CFM and 85 inches of lift. We recommend you use this with a 10-foot hose. You can do it in either 1.5 or 2-inch accessories. It is available with optional secondary HEPA filtration. Works well for overhead cleaning applications, floor surfaces, vertical surfaces as well. Great for bakeries, firing ranges, general cleanup in an industrial facility of non-combustible dust. To clean the filter in this unit, we just shake the filter right here 5 or 10 times. All the cleaning is done internally inside of the vacuum, so there's no exposure to the operator or to the atmosphere. To empty it, we lift up our foot lever. It's a non-directional dustpan. It can go in either way. Kick your foot lever down, dustpan is set. Swivel casters on the front. We have locking casters in the rear for easy portability. That is a review of the R151 shop vac killer.